In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Figma designs with the Print for Figma plugin. If you've ever needed a clean, print-ready PDF from your Figma file, this quick workflow will make it simple and reliable. We'll move through the Figma interface, launch the right tool, choose a free plan, and finish with an export you can share or send to a printer. Start by opening your Figma file and heading to the toolbar. Look for the action icon that opens resources and tools. Give that a click to reveal the available options. From there, select plugins and widgets. This takes you into the space where you can find and use add-ons that extend what Figma can do. In the search field, type Print for Figma. You should see a plugin with that exact name designed to help convert frames and pages into neatly formatted print-friendly outputs. Once you found it, click Run. This launches the plugin in a panel so you can work without leaving your current file. Running it from here ensures it has access to the design you're viewing, which keeps the process smooth and context-aware. When the plugin opens, proceed to the starter plan for free. This is perfect if you're just trying it out or only need the core export features. The free tier lets you test the workflow and verify your layout before considering anything more advanced. Now you're in the export area, where the real work happens. You'll see options tailored for print, such as choosing which frames or pages to include, setting page size, and adjusting orientation. This is helpful if your project was designed at screen sizes and you need it to fit standard paper formats. Use the available settings to match your print needs, like selecting portrait or landscape, adding margins or bleed if your design extends to the edge, and scaling content so nothing gets cut off. If your file uses multiple artboards, you can include them in a single document to produce a tidy multi-page PDF. When you're ready, trigger the export from within the plugin. It will process your selection and generate a print-ready file. Depending on your browser and system preferences, the file will either download automatically or prompt you to save it. Give it a quick preview to confirm page order, spacing, and image clarity. If something looks off, simply return to the plugin panel, tweak the settings, and export again until it matches your expectations. And that's it. You've used the action icon to open plugins and widgets, found Print for Figma, ran it, continued with the free starter plan, and completed a clean export that's ready to share or print.